the Home tab setup. This is the front page of your template. In this lesson, we will learn how to make simple cell formatting. Learn how to use the font and the fill colors, how to use merge and center, how to use links on texts and shapes, and also how to use borders and border colors. Alright, this is the front page, that is the home page of our sample template. It is formatted to the author's preference, so you can go ahead and choose what you want to put in here, a color combination that suits your brand, and any way you want to set this up. So let's quickly run through how this is done: the font, the fill colors, the borders, and how to change the colors, the shapes, and how to link the shapes. We are going to do that in a jiffy. To select font or change font, you go to the Home tab, and from the Home tab you see this font box. So for this simple school grading application, I can come here and choose whatever font I want to use by just clicking this drop down arrow. I can choose any font of my choice. In this case, maybe I want to change it to this one. This is too big. To make it smaller, I can click this. Alright, if that is fine, I can select another font for this and any other font I want to use. Now, if you look at this cell, it's a combination of some cells together. You can see rows 6 and 7 with B, C to F. This is what we call merging. We have merged those cells together. To do merging, still on the Home tab, you come to merge and center here. When I click this, it will unmerge the cells, you can see. But because I want it to be centralized, I want it to give it a very fine look, so I'll select all the cells I want to merge, then I'll just click merge and center. You can see when I click merge and center, it is all the cells are merged together. The text in it is in the center. So you can do as many formatting as you want. You can see again that I have this beautiful red border line. This beautiful red border line. To choose border line at any point in your template, let's say I want to put border here at this selected range. All you just need to do is come to this border portion. If I click the drop down arrow, I can put bottom border here, top border, left, no border at all, outside border, but I want to use thick border. So if I click this, it will automatically put border here. And as you can see, this is black. I can change the border color. When you click the drop down arrow again, and you come down, you see the line color. You can come and choose any color of your choice. If I want it to be purple, when you choose that, you see this pencil icon. Just click escape, and that goes. Click the border again, and see the color. It's now purple. So from here, you choose any type of border you want, and you set the border colors. Also, on this page, I inserted a shape. And to get the shape in Microsoft Excel, all we need to do is go to Insert. When you click Insert, from the menu bar, then you go to, because of the kind of Excel that I'm using the latest one, so my shape is inside the illustration. So I click shape here. When I click shape, you can choose any shape of your choice to represent whatever you want to do. So you can see my cursor has changed to a cross sign. So wherever you want to put the shape, just click and drag, and you have your shape. So when you have your shape, you can see that I now have a new menu here called format. So on this format, I might want to change the way my shape looks, want to change the color and how it's set up. I can change the color here, I can increase it, I can do whatever I want to do to this. But if I want to type in it, I can just double click inside the shape. You'll see my cursor blinking in there. Then you put any text you want in the shape. To change the text color, just highlight the text inside the shape, and on your home tab, normally the way you will change your colors, just click the color you want. So basically, most of the cell formatting is done on this home tab. You can bold in your text, italize it, underline it. You can choose your border, and this is the fill color. If you watch, this text is color red. So if I click it again, if I want to change it, this is font color to any text, to any color of my choice. All I just need to do is come to this font color and set it. But you can see this background colors. To do that, just select your background. Let's say I want to change the background color here to something else. Then that's when you use the fill color. You can choose any color here. You can choose to check more colors by clicking that icon. So if I just want to change this to say something pink, just click pink, and there you have it. So there's no limit to how you can design your front page. You can arrange your texts by doing margin center and whatever you want to put here, because this is not the basics of our template. This is just like your front page. Now I've linked this shape to a particular website. How do we do that? On the shape, I'll just right click. When you right click the shape, you have this pop up, and you can see, because I've already put a link, I have remove link, open link, or edit link. So if I have not added any link, you will see link there, and you just need to click the link. It will open up this pop-up. When you have this, you can see that I have chosen to link this shape to an existing file or web page. So if I click that, I'll just come to the address and put in my website address. In this case, let me change to my current website, which is primetech101.com. primetech101.com/blog. Yeah, I'm okay with that, and I'll just click OK. So automatically this shape is linked to that website. Anytime the shape is clicked, it opens up that website, provided that internet is enabled on your device. So that is basically how this is set up. You can customize it to your tastes and preference, and you'll be good to go. See you in the next